In this video, I am going to show you how to create a welcome email for new users in WordPress. Hey, my name is Jan from Fox Web Vision, and in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to set up a welcome email. So when people sign up on your site, they get something from you right away. You can use this email as an introduction or just send them some tips from your site. We will be using email subscribers and newsletters plugin, but there are other services out there if you want a different one. So in this tutorial, we will use free version of this plugin. To install this plugin, go to add a new plugin, search email subscribe plugin, install and activate it. Once you have installed and activate this plugin, the first thing you need to do is change default setting of plugin. By default, it can send a variety of emails and notifications automatically to the users, which can be annoying from them. To customize plugin behavior, go to settings of this plugin. Here you can see general tab. Change the fields here according to your choice. At last, to view the welcome email, go to notification tab and you can see here a welcome email. You can customize it according to your own needs. Once you are happy with your welcome email, turn the email notification on by clicking on the slider. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Settings. If you want to buy pro version of this plugin, which has many features, you can directly buy from link in the description. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, click on the like button below and leave us a comment. And if you want to receive more helpful videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.